So how do you start the Vauxhall Corsa? So it's already in park, and all you do is put your foot on the brake and hit the start button there. That starts the engine up. Simple as that. So how do we change gear in the Vauxhall Corsa? All we do is, it's in park at the moment, and to put it in park you just press that one. To reverse, to put it into drive, you just go down here. Obviously you've got neutral and reverse as well. They have a handy little camera there as well in this vehicle. And you can use manual if you wanted to, and then if you're using manual, you're just using these little paddle shifters here on either side to go up or down on the gears, but most people would just stick it into normal drive. And when you're parking it up, just hit it into park and pull up your handbrake. And to go, all you would do is put it into drive, push the handbrake down, and pull away. So where is the handbrake in this one? It's just here. So you just pull it up for the handbrake, and to disengage the handbrake, you have to have your foot on the brake, and then you would push it down. So put on the brake there, handbrake up. If I try and do it now, it beeps at me. It says you can't do that, I need to have my foot on the brake. So to refuel the Corsa, first of all pay attention to that sticker that's on the windscreen there. It says which side is that. It says on the left side, and that is petrol. And then come out the car, around here. So we're on passenger side, and it's just in there. You just push this one, opens up, tells you what fuel it is there, and you just unscrew that one. Nice and easy. That's it. So how do we adjust the wing mirrors? So it's on the driver's side door here. You just push that over to the side you want to adjust. Just go left or right, and what that does, if I put you up there, you'll see that mirror change in position. And the same for the left hand side, you would just change that and go left or right. And I'll show you over there. You can see that moving. And as simple as that. To adjust the seats on the vehicle, I've got some lovely massage buttons here, but ignoring them for now, you can go up and down with this one. Let's bump the seat up and down. Just the back of this one, and obviously the bar will be back and forth with that one. The USB charger is just down there, and there's actually a USB-C again. Most of them are nowadays. Just in there, and obviously you've got your 12 volt as well. So this vehicle does not come with any satnav built into it. You can use the screen mirroring to have your map from your phone to connect to the vehicle, and also sometimes when you plug it in as well, it will automatically connect your phone through the Android Auto or for the Apple application as well. So how do we demist the windscreen in the Vauxhall Corsa? All we do is quite simple. This one, press that one and that one. That's as simple as that to demist the windscreen. And you've got your power here and temperatures on this side as well. So turn on lane assist, you can turn it on or you can turn it off. Yeah, I know it annoys a lot of people. To turn off auto start and stop, you can turn it on or you can turn it off. So there's no spare wheel in the Vauxhall Corsa, but there is a tyre inflation kit in the back there, just in the boot. So locking wheel nut, there is no locking wheel nut for the Vauxhall Corsas. It doesn't come with a locking wheel nut. Instead, it has these black caps which you need a special tool to get off.